Good morning. This cage contains a wide range of exotic birds. This cage contains a wide range of exotic birds. There are two Jos Plateau indigo birds in this cage. That is a Jos Plateau indigo. These birds are also found in Edo State. The Jos Plateau indigo is also found in Edo State. It is not only found in Jos. This cage contains two Jos Plateau indigos. This is one of the Jos Plateau indigos. The Jos Plateau indigo bird is also native to Edo State. That black bird over there is a Jos Plateau indigo. Look at another one over there. There's another one over there. That is a Jos Plateau indigo. Jos Plateau indigo is also native to Edo State. It is found in Edo State. It is not only found in Jos. These birds are also found in Edo State. So it is native to both Plateau State and Edo State. Jos Plateau indigo is native to both Edo State and Plateau State. This cage contains two Jos Plateau indigos. This cage contains two Jos Plateau indigo birds. This is one of them. This is one of the birds. There's another one up there. There's the second one. Wow. These are exotic birds. There's a sparrow. Those are canaries. I want tourists to come to Edo State and see the Jos Plateau indigo. They're also found in Edo State. They're also found in Edo State. So you can come to Edo State and see for yourself that there are Jos Plateau indigo birds